Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create center effect using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to import a picture I have just downloaded from the internet. This one, you can download the type of the picture from the internet, and you can click on that. Okay, and to create the center effect, I'm going to apply animation. You can click on your photo and then go to the animation, and I'm going to select the combo animation. Then we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the spin animation. Okay, just keep scrolling and find the spin animation. Okay, this one guys, click on that and you can customize the duration right here. I'm just going to decrease it, okay, and click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create center effect using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!